That's why I love our. I mean, he's not my friend. I mean, but yeah, he's like a mentor, Sean Whalen. Um, he shows a lot of his dark side too, right? Dark behind the scenes. Are you guys good friends, you and Sean Whalen?
I've known Sean a long time. I remember though, I met him at the gym, right? And he was talking about, he goes, "Hey, I have these shirts." And he handed me one of these shirts. And I'm like, "That's a cool shirt, dude. I don't understand what the heck it means, man. What are you talking about?" And for like a year, I just left it in my closet. And it was, then he's like, "Dude, how do you think I could get better?" I'm like, "You got to go to scale, dude. Like, I mean, And so I talked to him like about a few weeks ago, and everybody knows he's got his own set of struggles,
Oh yeah,
but a lot of guys are feeling a lot of struggle right now because economic times, and it affects everyone's revenue line, so anybody who's denying that, unless you're in some special isolated field that, but economy is economy, and so,
possibly.
you know, I think he's a guy that's just trying to do it and be somebody, and his resilience, I think, is respectable, you know. The big thing though that I always advise him and other guys, he's younger than me, is, just check your ego, check it, because you can be confident and powerful, but you don't have to always be dominating. A lot of power is just in letting people do what they need to do. That's fine. And you don't have to prove yourself to anybody, I mean, if it's truly helping people, great. But a lot of times, all of us, including myself, sometimes, we get a little into ourselves, Um, and as you get older, hopefully that evolves because you realize it's kind of a waste of energy anyway to be too dominating, too alpha, whatever they call it, because like my wife says, you have to respect the feminine and masculine that's wired into all humans, though. So you need sensitivity, you
100%.
need compassion, but sometimes you need massive aggression, Um, that's a balance that everyone's got to figure out for themselves.
Good point. Well, that's a really good piece of advice you gave. And I mean, yeah, he's come a long way. I'm, I'm amazed by his story and what he shares on social media. And, I even signed up for his coaching program. I haven't gone to his Lions Den thing, but I'm going to go next year.